As modern lifestyles evolve, whether you're a typist spending long hours at a desk or a gamer optimizing home space, compact and efficient appliances are becoming essential. Portable washing machines have seen rapid demand due to their affordability, small footprint, and convenience for apartments, dorms, and off-grid living. In this guide, we evaluate each machine based on build quality, wash performance, capacity, noise level, energy efficiency.
List number 1. Portable washing machine. If you want a compact, no-fuss washer that delivers strong performance without demanding much space, this portable washing machine stands out for its simplicity and reliability. Designed for dorms, RVs, small homes, and travelers, it offers a lightweight build that makes it easy to move while still packing enough wash power to handle daily laundry needs. Its user-friendly control panel helps you select wash modes quickly, and the efficient motor ensures clothes come out cleaner than expected for its size. This model typically includes a twin tub or single tub configuration, depending on variant, allowing you to wash and spin simultaneously or in the same bucket. The drainage system is smooth and reduces mess, which renters and tiny homeowners will appreciate. Noise is moderate, making nighttime use possible without disturbing neighbors. In terms of durability, the plastic body resists rust and is suitable for long-term small space living.
List number 2. EU Homey 1.03 cubic foot portable washer. The EU Homey 1.03 cubic foot portable washer is one of the best premium compact washers for users who want more advanced features. With a capacity suitable for small families or individuals who wash often, it combines technology with convenience. This model features multiple wash modes, including normal, heavy, quick, soak, and gentle, making it perfect for delicates, everyday wear, and even slightly heavier fabrics. The stainless steel inner drum ensures durability and a more thorough wash, while the transparent lid allows you to monitor cycles without lifting the cover. A standout feature is its energy-efficient design that reduces water and power usage, making it ideal for apartments with limited utility resources. Additionally, the automated imbalance adjustment helps keep the machine stable during spin cycles, reducing rocking and noise. Its compact rectangular design fits well in bathrooms, kitchens, camper vans, or RVs. Installation is simple. Connect the included inlet hose to a faucet, plug it in, and start washing. The LED display makes each setting easy to navigate even for first-time users.
List number 3. Portable washing machine. This portable washing machine is built with convenience in mind for users who want strong wash performance in a compact body. Unlike traditional washers, this unit saves water, detergent, and electricity, ideal for renters, students, travelers, and people living off-grid. It typically includes dual wash and spin functions, giving you the flexibility to wash and partially dry clothes in one setup. The washer's motor delivers surprisingly powerful agitation, lifting dirt effectively without damaging fabrics. Even bulky items like jeans or small towels wash well when divided into manageable loads. The spin dryer is efficient enough to remove most water so clothes dry quickly when hung. Manual knobs or simple digital controls make it easy for anyone to use, including seniors and first-time portable washer owners. Weighing significantly less than traditional machines, this model is easy to store in closets or corners when not in use. The drainage hose works smoothly, and the body's rust-resistant material ensures lasting durability even with frequent use.
List number 4. Mini laundry machine 16L. If ultra-compact size is your priority, the Mini Laundry Machine 16L is the perfect pick. Designed for single users, travelers, dorm rooms, or emergency backup washing, this mini washer is incredibly lightweight and space-saving. Its 16-liter capacity is suitable for baby clothes, socks, undergarments, t-shirts, and small loads that need quick refreshes. Despite its tiny build, it delivers effective washing performance thanks to its strong mini motor and turbo agitation. This model is especially popular among campers and RV users because it consumes very little water and power. The quick wash cycle gets clothes done in minutes, making it a great choice for people who need fast laundry turnover or live in power-restricted environments.
List number 5. Portable washing machine. This portable washing machine rounds off our list with a strong combination of affordability, performance, and user-friendly features. It's built for people who want a reliable washer without spending on bigger, more advanced models. Its lightweight body makes it perfect for dorms, RVs, small homes, and users who move frequently. Equipped with both wash and spin functions, it handles jeans, shirts, towels, and light fabrics with ease. The spin dryer works well for quick moisture removal, and the wash cycle offers excellent agitation for its size category. The machine's water-saving design is a valuable bonus for users with limited water access. The controls are simple, usually manual dials for wash time, spin time, and mode selection, making the machine extremely easy to use for users of all ages. The drainage system is efficient and helps reduce mess, especially for renters who cannot install a full-size washing machine. Durable plastic construction keeps the machine lightweight while resisting corrosion and moisture damage. Although it may lack fancy digital features, it offers great value at an affordable price point.